is at 2:22 p.m. Sidewalks are all covered with snow. The parking lot is all covered with snow. And this is my front porch in Waurika, Oklahoma. And this is a storm that is giving us all this snow this Christmas Day. And I thought y'all would enjoy seeing everything be covered with snow. The rooftops, the neighbor's hedge over here is covered with some snow. And this is the pathway I took to get back home after eating chili with my sister and them. So we have gotten quite a bit of snow here in Oklahoma. This is what my